Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my hair growth spray by mixing cinnamon sticks and dried rosemary leaves. It's not necessarily that you only need to use dried rosemary, but that is what I have at hand. So yeah, if you would love to grow the hair with me, please stay tuned and I'll plug you guys on that. It is very much important to use natural things on our hair because it enhances or it promotes healthy scalps as well as hair growth. There are a lot of natural ingredients out there that one needs to try, and you just see which one works for you. Yes, the two herbs I'm using today, I bought them in Freshco and they were very cheap, just below 40 Namibian dollars. You can always find the fresh ones as well as the dry ones. There is not really a specific measurement as to how many sticks you are going to use or how many spoons of rosemary you are going to use. Just prepare the tea depending on the volume that you are dealing with. If you have a lot of hair on your head, then you want to do like a lot of tea. If you have less, then you want to do it less. As for me, I want it to last for at least a month or two. That's why I'm going to prepare a lot of it. Like when I'm going to add in water, I'm going to put in a lot of water because I want the tea to last for me longer, so I don't be preparing it now and then. For rosemary, we are still just eyeballing, just checking how much we would want to use because we don't have specific measurements. If you're somebody that likes accurate measurements, then you can always just do that. It ain't a problem at all. Forever, forever. We are going to add in water, just 1 liter of or 1.5 to our tea and let it boil for a few minutes or 6 minutes before we let it cool down and show the rest of the process. I'm going to separate my tea because it's a bit cool now. I'm going to use a wig cap because I don't want to have any leaves on, like, in there. You can see how it looks. I transferred the tea in my spray bottle, and this is what I'll be using for the week, or let me say for the following days until it's done. Then I'll just be putting it in here. The rest is in the fridge. So when you are spraying, you want to make sure that you are spraying both on the scalp and on your hair as well as the edges. So that is just what we are going to do, starting with my edges. I'll also try to give myself a little scalp massage just to help the spray penetrate so well, you know. And I'll just do that for the rest of my head. Just keep watching and enjoy. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. That is just how you are supposed to spray your hair. Hello. like, yes, just like that. And then just repeat this method for maybe twice, 3 times, or every day. So that is it, my people. Thank you very much, my people, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. If you would love to know something concerning the hairstyle or the day, let me know in the comment section. Or you want me to shoot a different, or you have something that you want to know about natural hair, let me know in the comment section. Until I see you guys in my next video, thank you very much. Bye.